Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. I'm going to say each sound, you repeat the sounds, and then we'll blend the word together. B, e, n, ch. Bench. Sh, e, t. Shift. Sh, a, k, Shaker. Ch, n, k, e. Chunky. I, s, p, Whisper. W, e, v, Weather. Okay, this one's long. S, e, l, I, sh. Selfish. That was a long one. Good job. All right, now we are going to segment words. So I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then your job is to chop it into phonemes. Crunch. K, r, n, ch. Shrink. Sh, r, I, n, k. Shapes. Sh, a, p, s. Shadow. Sh, a, d, o. Friend. R, e, n, d. And the last one, chicken. Ch, e, k, e, n. Chicken. Good job. Okay, so we are going to do some substitutions. And this is going to look a little bit differently this week because normally I use my fists, but this week we're going to have to just listen really carefully because the sounds that we're substituting are going to be medial sounds. That means they come at the top of the roller coaster. They're in the middle of the word. So if I say a word like grad, you say it. Change a to a. Grade. Good. So you're thinking add. Change a to a. Grade. Grade. Okay, let's try another one. The word is kit. You say it. Change I to I. Kite. The word is fell. Change e to e. Feel. Yeah, that changes just a little bit. Fell. Feel. Feel. Good job. The word is rod. Change a to o. Road. The word is Tim. Change I to I. Time. The word is dim. Change I to I. Dime. Good. Last one. The word is tub. Change a to u. Tube. Good job. All right, we're going to add some beginning digraph sounds to word parts. We're going to start with the ending part of the word. We're going to add a beginning, excuse me, digraph sound and put the word together to make a new word. The word is I'm. Add ch to the beginning. Chime. The word is in. Add ch to the beginning. Chin. The word is or. Add ch to the beginning. Chore. The word is arc. Add sh to the beginning. Shark. The word is art. Add ch to the beginning. Chart. The word is air. Add ch to the beginning. Chair. The word is apes. Add sh to the beginning. Shapes. The word is out. Add sh to the beginning. Shout. The word is aisle. Add wh to the beginning. While. Good. Okay, now we're going to delete phonemes. This is our last exercise. We're going to delete that beginning digraph sound. So the word is chair. Without ch, the word is air. The word is chart. Without ch, the word is art. The word is cheek. Without ch, the word is eek. The word is shelf. Without sh, the word is elf. The word is shore. Without sh, the word is or. The word is chin. Without ch, the word is in. The word is shapes. Without sh, the word is apes. The word is shark. Without sh, the word is arc. Nice job today.